Hello again. Today we're looking at how this word changes in present simple tense. My name's Margaret and welcome to Learning English with me. How are you today? Great. Let's learn. Have. I have a pen. That's possession. Have. To have is possession. I have a pen. So let's write that one down. I have a pen. I have. You watching. You have a pen. I have a pen. You have a pen. Now, if it's a boy or a girl, we use these pronouns. He or she. Now, when we're using third person pronouns, so that's third person, the verbs need to have an S on the end, always. So we can't have haves. We can't have that. So the word changes. She has a pen. He has a pen. I have. You have. He has. She has. Has. And when we go to plural, we have goes back to have. We have a pen. They have a pen. You all have a pen. Okay, I hope that explains why we use has and not have when we're using present simple tense, looking at third person. Well done today for really good listening. I hope you've learnt a lot from this grammar lesson. Have and has in the present simple. Have a nice day today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel, and you'll find more grammar and vocabulary lessons on there. Bye bye today. Bye bye.